Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you are here for today's video because I am so excited to announce that I will be dropping some brand new Freshie molds tomorrow, Friday. So basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys all of the new mold designs that I made. But of course, I wouldn't consider it complete without testing out my molds. So we're also going to be baking and decorating some Freshies with my new molds. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so I already have my oven preheated to 300 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in my oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. All right, so I had my Freshies in the oven for 16 minutes. They are definitely done. I can tell just by looking at them. But while they are still hot, we're just going to go around and push in the edges of the molds. And it's going to push down all of those like jaggedy edges that are all along the edge there. Okay, so now I'm going to set these molds aside for these Freshies to completely cool down before we're ready to demold them. All right, so I'm gonna set all the Freshies aside and let them dry. Okay, so all of my Freshies are dry now, so I'm just going to brush away all of that excess glitter and then we will be all done. All right, you guys, well, like I said, these molds will be launching tomorrow, Friday. I don't have an exact time because I'm still working on product photos and uploading them to my site and all that. But once I get them launched, I will, of course, post about it on my TikTok and Instagram. So make sure you're following me on there so that you know the second I drop them. But that's where I'm gonna leave you guys today. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. Let me know which mold you are most excited about. And if you're watching this video but you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I would greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.